Hi everybody. Okay, so today we are going to do two science experiments. One is about the weather. Actually, they're both about the weather. And since it's been so hot and super sunny, why not do an experiment about the sun and what happens to things when you put them in the sun? So here's what you're going to need to do. You're going to need a muffin tin, and you're gonna need different objects. So I have a golf ball, a measuring cup, a piece of cheese, a piece of chocolate, a piece of candy, and a little toy truck. You can put whatever you want in these tins. Boys and girls, what happens when it's very, very hot outside? What happens to things? They melt. So we're gonna put on our science thinking caps. Everyone put your head on. And we're gonna sing a song about the sun. You ready? Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, hiding behind a tree. These little children are asking you to please come out so we can play with you. Oh, Mr. Sun, Sun, Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. Yay! All right, so now that we sang a song about the sun, what I want you to do is get your muffin tin and put different objects in that may or may not melt in the sun. And what do we have to do? We observe. Everyone say our big science word, observe, meaning we need to see what happens. So I want everyone to fill up your muffin tin and go outside and leave the tin outside for a half an hour, 30 minutes. And then see what happens. You can take pictures, your mommies and daddies can help you write it, and observe what happens to the different objects inside the tin. Because it's so hot outside, I wonder what will melt or what will stay the same. I hope you guys find out and tell me what you observe. All right. Now, the next science experiment we're gonna do is about tornadoes. Can everyone show me your tornado? Whoosh. A tornado is when a lot of wind comes and makes a really, really big circle called a cone. Kind of looks like an ice cream cone. So we're gonna make our own tornadoes today. What do you guys think? Sounds like a good idea? All right, let me get my food coloring. So for this experiment, you're gonna need 2 bottles. It doesn't have to be this size, but the bottles have to be the same size, okay? Because we're gonna glue them together. So you need 2 empty water bottles, tape, and hot glue, okay? So, and you need food coloring, blue food coloring. So the first thing we're gonna do is we are going to take our measuring cup and we're gonna pour the water. And we have to do it so carefully. So you're gonna pour the water only into 1 bottle. You have to be so careful. Are you using your fine motor skills and strengthening those muscles in your hands? Let's fill up the water all the way to the top. Almost there. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is you're going to take your blue food coloring and you're gonna help me count 3 drops. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Great job. You did it. All right. The next thing we're gonna do, and the mommies and daddies have to do this, you're gonna take your other bottle and you're gonna glue it with your hot glue to the top of this bottle, okay? So let me get my glue gun, and you're gonna put glue. Okay, so you're gonna take this glue and you're gonna glue it to the top, okay? So we're gonna let it dry for 2 seconds. And while we're waiting for it to dry, you get your tape ready. So your children can help you peel the tape. This is another fine motor activity. Take your 2 fingers and peel. Show me those muscles. Peel, peel, peel. And now they can help you cut. You're gonna take your scissor and cut. Let's see. You're gonna cut the tape, okay? The scissor is not cooperating. Don't judge me, I'm gonna use my teeth. Here we go. Okay, but you use a scissor. And now what we're gonna do, I want all the boys and girls to help do this too. As long as the glue is dry, my glue is dry, you're gonna take the tape and you're gonna help put it around your bottle, okay? So we're gonna use our muscles and make sure the tape, and squeeze, squeeze, squeeze to make sure that it's good. And now here's what we're gonna do. You're gonna, you see that? Whoa! Check that out. Now for you guys to see it better, I would take the labels off. So I'm not gonna do that right now, but if you take the label off and you shake it, it starts to look like a tornado when it comes down if you look at the top, okay? Watch the top. You see the bubbles? You see it look like a tornado? So you guys can do this all day long. It's a really fun experiment. All you have to do is shake it in a circular motion like this. So let me cut the top off so you could see it better. Let's see if we cut the top off. Here we go. So it's better if you cut the top off. So just remember that when you're doing your experiment to cut the label off because it's much easier to see. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Now, you see that? See the tornado? Whoa, you see it spinning going down? That's called a tornado. You guys just learned about it. Sometimes we get them in Florida. Just kidding. All right, guys, thanks for joining me for this experiment. I'll see you later. Bye.